Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you how to see your Google account password on mobile. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a dummy account real quick. Then you're going to click on the dummy account. So you want to click on the top right icon on your screen. Then click on manage account. Then you want to scroll your top options, click on security, then scroll down and click on password. So what I want to do is create a new password, and I'm going to click forgot password. Then I'm going to click try another way, the blue highlighted text, try another way. Then I'm going to create a new password which I'm going to use. So the password you can see is the one that's going to be your password going forward, and that's how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like and subscribe for more content like this.